Satisfy your sweet tooth with custom themes in Camtasia. Themes add a layer of delight and engagement for your viewers. But if you do it wrong, the results can be painful. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to sprinkle excitement into every one of your video projects. And don't leave without grabbing your free downloadable treat from the video description. Come on, let's make a Camtastic video. Here's how to make your custom theme. Open the Theme Manager by clicking File, Manage Themes. Click the plus button to start a new theme and give it a memorable name. We'll call this one Cherry Sundae. Alright, this is where the magic starts to happen. We can change the foreground, background, and accent colors to fit our brand or personal style. Now, if your design skills are sugar-free, here's how to sweeten things up. Take a look at your immediate surroundings. Candy wrappers, pizza boxes, everywhere you look, there's a color scheme. Find something that jumps out at you and take a photo. Then, import the photo into Camtasia using TechSmith Fuse on your phone. Use the color picker to select the colors from your photo and start building your theme. You can also go to color.adobe.com to use their color wheel and color harmonies. Find a scheme you love, then copy the hex code values and paste them into Camtasia. Now, here's the hard part. Finding a font to go with your color scheme can be as painful as having a root canal. A lot of preloaded fonts are mind-numbingly boring, and there's nothing more painful than watching a boring video. Here's the cure. You can find free fonts on Google Fonts, Font Squirrel, and FontSpace. Most of the fonts are free for personal use. If you plan to use a font commercially, be sure to read the license agreement first before you download. What's cool about Camtasia is after you install your font, it'll automatically appear in your drop-down list. If you don't see the font, save your project, close Camtasia, reopen your project, and the font should be in the list. If you need help installing fonts, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make a follow-up video. Last but not least, the cherry on top, your logo. Square images work best here. I use Canva to handcraft all my graphics and save them as PNGs for gourmet quality. Simply browse and upload, and you're all set. Now when you add text, shapes, and visual effects in your projects, you can select your custom theme from the drop-down in the Properties panel. Make your audience feel like a kid in a candy store with this free download. I put together 9 color themes you can use in your next Camtasia project. Click the link in the description to access your download. Ready to make more Camtastic videos? Check out this tutorial on the screen right now.